Kibor Sinchar District Jongkari Boy, Kila Maham da Kaba Tyngeh Ïaki Beriu, Kiba Thang Khlem Akor Ïaki Khlaw ki betam, Hakum kani ka ayom ka baterkhong, Kaba buon jingma bat laban wanra Ïaki jingjia bas ngosi, bat Pynjari Syndon, ya ka Kyndon Aiñ Chispa and Riu Pulai Bnss, Persha Ïaki Beriu badon keti hakatei kakam. U Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District, Ula Kerpat Ïaki Nong Yalam Shnong, Ban Ai ke jing trelang bat ban ujor ki pulen, Lada don ki Beriu ki bat Thang Khlem Akor Ïaki Khlaw ki betam, Namar kani ka wanra ya ka jingyap jong ki berat ki mereng, ke jing penmi ya ka leer jabo, bat khamtam ka bala aru ban wanra buon ki jingjia bas hosi.
এটা বটা টাইম না এনেকে পাই থাকবি আৰু
Burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the Bnss, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Riboi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be. The headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.